Hi everybody, it's Lisa. I am back again with another video. This is my number 3 box for Little Box of Figs. Little Box of Figs just invoiced me last week. I'll give the details down below what I paid for the box. And it is a quarterly subscription box, so I signed up in advance for a year. And this is box 3, their winter box. Little Box of Figs is a unique quilting box in my opinion. I love their fabric. I pay for this gladly, believe it or not. And let's get going. So this is their... Oh, we are excited to bring these Christmas figs to projects. So if you don't celebrate Christmas, you're gonna celebrate this year. Here we go. It is called a Cozy Christmas Duet. I like the pattern. Very cute. Trees and reds and whites and greens, you know, the Christmas colors. So wow, 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 wow. Let's see what we got. Got all these little bubbles. I'm gonna make a mess. Oh, it's heavy. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, 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 nope. I know you all have been waiting for this video. This is the box. It always comes every month in the cutest green box. I love it. I love their labels. I keep these boxes. After I do projects, I keep extra material in here. I still, unfortunately, have a few projects I haven't done yet, but I will get to it momentarily. Okay, the first thing is 100% soy wax candles. Mold cider. I am a candle girl. I am the girl that lights candles every night, has the waxes, the melts. Oh wow, this is like good enough to drink. Think of mold cider on your stove top, and maybe, you know, you take that mold spices and mix it with your wine. Yum, 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 yum. Very nice. I can't wait to burn this. This is a keeper. That's the first thing. The second thing, God, everything is like kind of dusty. It must be all the fabric dust. This is a little mini stash and store. I have a big one that I use, like right here. But this is a little mini red one. What the heck? Another quilting notion. I don't have a little mini red. Aw, it's so cute. It's a little baby mini. Now, you know, if you're not a quilter, you can put pens in here. You can put scissors. I put all sorts of stuff in mine. I mean, here's my current one. This I actually got in an old Fat Quarter Shop box. So, I mean, they go to good use. So a mini one is nice to have. Very nice to have. So love, love, love. And it is by It's So Emma. It's actually a Fat Quarter Shop product that you could purchase at FQS. Ooh, another notion. Okay, I know what this is. These are milliner's needles. They're made in Japan. They're Hiroshima needles. Remember that city that we unfortunately bombed in 1945? Well, the Hiroshima needles. And I'm not going to make any jokes about that. So these needles are very thin, very thin. It has a large needle eye, but they're very thin and it won't damage, you know, really delicate fabrics. So this is really nice. It comes in like a little glass test tube and it has a little cork. So I'm not going to open this just yet, but it's really sweet. And then here is all the fabric. I'm doing a lot of ums today. Let me see if I got everything. There I go again. Stop. Little product, Christmas labels and tags. I don't see any tags in mine. And I'm not sure if I'm missing anything. But here are the two projects. I already showed you that. Here's the fabric for the projects. We have 2 Christmas figs charm packs. There's 42 5-inch squares in these charm packs. And this is awesome because I do not have this fabric in my repertoire of fabrics. I have this in orange. This is like from the All Hallowed Eve. I do have this in like the fall and Halloween fabrics that they recently sent. So these are just some of the fabrics. I am not going to go through all 42-inch squares. I'll just show you some. I don't know. I wouldn't have the patience to watch even me go through all 42-inch squares. I know a lot of people do that on their channel. But I will leave a link to this in the description box below. So if you wanted to see all the different fabrics and patterns online, they show that. Okay, this must be, wow, this is really pretty. This is for, these are like little Christmas labels and tags. Do you see that? So you can either cut them out, or I'm not sure if you incorporate it into the projects that are in here. And then we have a white fabric with a little design on it. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. This feels like a yard or a half a yard. Let me see. So the main project is the Christmas Duet. You make 2 pillow tops, the Christmas Tree Farm and the Northern Lights. So those are the 2 pillow tops. And then you can make the, well, this is what happens when you open it on camera before you really get to look at everything. I'm learning as you are going along to make these patterns. And then these are pillow tops. So they're all pillows. This is a pillow. And this is a pillow. So you have the square pillow that they gave the fabric to make, and like a bolster pillow. Very nice. And then these labels, you could either use it in a project, or as they say here, take a look how we decorated plain packages with these fun little labels from Sweetwater's The Christmas Card. And they give instructions on how to use the labels. So what you would do with these labels is you would put it on like a fusible web. You can make stamps. It says, I recommend backing it with a fusible webbing product like Wonder Under. And that will stick to both the fabric and then whatever you were attaching it to. Really nice. You can attach it to fabric. You can attach it to manila cards to make your own gift tags and stuff like that. You can attach it to craft paper if you're wrapping. So like the ideas for this are numerous. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And I love Sweetwater fabric. It's so soft. So that's this third box for Little Box of Figs. I did get everything here. The last box they forgot to put in a friction pen. I wrote them and they sent me one in the mail right away. They're such a good company. And I'm really excited to make pillows to dress up my couch. And they're just happy looking. And I really like this. So thank you, Little Box of Figs. That is curated by Joanna Figuarari, I believe. I know she does a lot of these patterns. Yes, it's designed by Joanna Figueroa. She's the, you know, the brainchild behind this whole curated box, and this is her company. So, cool, cool, cool. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the description box below. I will give details if you want to sign up for their membership. There's usually like a waiting list. They might have already gotten their number for 2021. I signed up again. I don't know why, but I just love this box. It makes me happy. And I do have quite a few projects to catch up on. But give me a thumbs up, subscribe, you know the drill, you know you want to. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day, great night, great week. It is only Monday. Bye-bye.